Gotta get out. Gotta get out. I can't stay here. Must escape. I got it. I'll chew my way out. What are you doing?
Without Roxanne, it's all over for me. Goodbye, cruel world!
You kinda need a head for that.
What's the point of living? I'll never, ever love again. Who that? She's beautiful. I gotta get out of here and meet her. Hey, Lucy, be great to have some of that wine over there, wouldn't it?
Of course not. I'm glad I'm done with that stuff. I'm out of it back on the old wagon. Yes, sirree.
Yeah, look at that sweet nectar, you alcoholic. Fly, Goosey!
Gotcha, sweetheart. Oh, how I've missed you. Take me to the land without pain.
Grab the keys and get me out of here.
Got it! Whoa, hey, not so fast!